Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can keep top row in Google Sheets when you scrolling down, for example. So yeah, let's get straight into it, really slow, step by step. So you have bunch of data in your sheet, I assume, and when you scroll down you want to see what name of each column is, for example. So we can freeze this first row right here, and we how we can do that. So click on number one right here so that we select the whole row right here. That means that the whole row will be locked. Now we go here to view and then freeze. And now we can select one row, two rows up to row one. So if I select one row, now when I'm scrolling down, you will see that this row is now selected, and we can freely scroll down if we have more data and we exactly know which column is which. You can also play with that, so one column, one row, one column. So if I select this one, for example, so one column, that means that just this will be here, but I need to go and delete previous one. So if I go like that, view freeze one column, now we see just this column here. So if I would have more data, I would see him. As you can see, if I go to the right side, now I have one column right here. So if I go back here and select one row, now this is basically what we wanted. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.